Ang nasyang pa sa akin ito, Kutsuri naman, mami siya. What scientific method that examines if the data gathered are significant enough to conclude results? What scientific method, talagang mag-agsik. What scientific method that examines the area gathered? A. Observation. B. Gather and analyze. C. Hypothesis. D. Conclusion. What's the answer? It's gather and analyze. So, let's continue. Wait pa meron pa 25 minutes. So, let's go to Judith Basinitad daw ang sigurado. Judith Butler's Theory of Performativity. Okay. So, ano daw? This explains, sa kadamdamon sa iyang explain ni Judith. So, ang gender performativity is ano? The concept, no? The concept that, or it's a theory that defined across Butler's work over several decades. Okay, so ang Mary Butler, ang iyang theory challenges essentialism. So when we say essentialism, ano na siya? Kailangan maintindihan ng klase. So when you say essentialism, ano yun siya? So when we say essentialism, all humans, ensures that their genes are passed on to future generations, but men and women develop different strategies to achieve. So, essentialism is also like, somebody daw yung research, essentialism, it means it's just like important. Anong importante sa inyo gender identity? What are the essentials? Kung nakakita ba na mag-biyahe ka short trip, what are the essentials that you will bring? Anong nauna? Bayo, panty, bra, toothbrush, kwarta, cellphone, sabon. Isa nga rin, parang nawala sabon, basta pagkakit. Diba? So, essential. Importante. So, ano ginagawa ni Judy Series? Ha? In this work, Butler sets out challenge essentialist understanding of gender, in other words, and assumes, assumptions that masculinity and femininity are naturally or biologically given. That masculinity should be performed by male bodies and femininity by female bodies. So, dili lang baskin ang theory ni Judith, nag-agree yapon sa multi-factorial concept of Janet Spence, the gender constancy. Natindihan? Nakagugtong-gugtong ninyo ang topic. They are related. Si Lady Janet Spence, may alam kita sa gender constancy. Kung babae, babae ka. Kung lalaki, lalaki ka. According naman kay Judith Butler, sa gender formativity, kung feminine ka, you practice or you You do 1 to 11 days. Kung maskulado ka, botsilinon, you do it as a man. So may maskulado, wala nga. Jasmine! Kung may babae man. Yo! Magkakatuloy! Ano? Kasi nanalan mga kay Paul, si Aya. Si Aya sumunod tayo. Ato nagkakuan sa Facebook, wala nga naga-gender one shot. Nagkapalaki, nagkakabayi-bayi yung babae. Tapos nagka-prank siya sa mga follower. And later he will do is nakiligay ka mga follower. So mga follower yung mga follower. Then later on he will sing. And he sings, he sang in a voice of a female. And later, kung nawiginig ng mga follower na tao, bigla na lang siya mag-gym siya. Lalaki na tingin. Sunog. Si Jaspo, actually, nag-ano na siya ka-class mag-bet? So, remember gender formativity. So, ang unang gyapon na says, gender, kailangan kung babae, lalaki. Next, let's go to queer theory. So, ang unang baso, sa iba na, yata ko lang sa inyo kung anong buhay at anong buhay. Next, let's go to the queer theory. So, ano ang queer theory? Queer theory. The performativity o gender. Alam na, naintindihan na. Sa queer theory, kailangan dua lang. Babae, lalaki ha. So, feminine and men. So, philosopher Judith Butler is one of the key figures that study of queer theory as well as feminine and LGBTQ. So, ano daw ang Judith Butler Japanese? Set of behaviors rather than something that is innate in every person. So, ang Butler, ang gender is